What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. This time I'm gonna be reviewing the Nike Travis Scott medium olive. I got these in a size 8.5. This is an Air Jordan 1 low silhouette, and if you've seen some of my other videos, I like to get the Jordan 1 lows half a size down just because I feel like they're a little bit longer at the front. But that's the sizing of the shoe. Here's the box. You got a cream color all throughout, brown or olive lettering on the Nike symbols here, brown in there. I got my pair off of GOAT, so yeah, I had to pay resale for them. Prices on these are really low resale, by the way. We'll talk about that in a minute. Pink paper in the shoebox, typical Travis Scott lettering in there. Look at that, nice. Got the Nike Travis Scott logos, Jordan logos mixed together. All right, so we're opening the box. These are hot, man. These are fire. Ooh. Yeah, I hadn't opened these yet. For y'all first time seeing it is my first time seeing it. Check that out. Damn it, boy. That's a clean shoe right here. Alright, you got some extra laces, which it seems that somebody opened these before they sent them to me. You got pink laces here. Alright, and they're like a wax style lacing. Ooh, I thought they were missing for a second. With some black wax laces. They're black, you can't really see it, but they're black. So pink laces and black laces come with the shoe as extras on the. Let me give you a full look at it. Look at that olive color. Sheesh. Look at that. Alright, so right away on the side here, you got that classic backward swoosh that you see on all the Travis Scott pairs. It's in a leather material, black leather material, suede, green, nice suede, all on this side panel right here. You move on to the rest of the shoe. You got white leather panels all throughout. Nothing crazy on the leather. Similar of what's been coming out lately for Jordan. Alright, on the back of the heel, you have the Air Jordan Wings logo in red, which looks really good on this pair. Really pops out. Alright, on this interior side of the shoe, you have a regular Nike black swoosh in leather. And then on the side right here, you have an imprint of the Cactus Jack lettering. That looks really good as well. On the tongue, you have some noticeable changes. Olive color nylon on the tongue. White tongue tab right here with red lettering in Nike. Alright, and then same thing on this tongue right here. Nylon material with Cactus Jack lettering. Off the inside of the tongue. Pull this thing out. You got some white laces on the shoe, which I think I may switch out. I don't think I'm gonna rock the white laces on this one. Travis Scott in there. Classic Travis Scott insole. Alright. Toe box, some more of that medium olive suede. Real nice materials there. What I love about this shoe and how they did it was there's a good contrast here on the midsole. It's a creamy color. It really stands out against the white. Real nice midsole right there. And then if we go to the outside of the shoe, you have a medium olive outsole. Look at that. That looks nice. Same on both shoes. Only difference is on the heel of this one, you have that Travis Scott Cactus Jack logo. And together they look like this. Man, they look sick. So, Travis Scott shoes. Let's talk about that. One, they're super expensive. Okay, well, one, they're hard to get. Two, they're super expensive because if you don't get them retail, which is really hard to get, the resale form is crazy. But on that same point, these right now are some of the cheaper ones you can find that look really good for resale right now. The cheapest pair besides this one is the yellow canary ones, which they're okay. They're Travis Scott. They look the same. They're Jordan 1 lows, but they're not as wearable as these. These you can rock with a lot of different clothing, a lot of different styles, and this shoe goes so good. And Jordan 1 low is my favorite for comfort. It even beats the comfort of the highs. They're just so super wearable. You can wear them with pants. You can wear them with shorts. So I highly suggest you guys go and get these. Like I said, look how sick they look. So I missed out on the sneakers release. I tried getting it that day. I tried on a few local raffles, nothing. So I just went ahead and bought them resale. But right now they're going around $400 plus. You might even be able to get them right at $400 if you look around. I don't know exactly what they're going for, but I know I looked as of yesterday and they're around $400 resale right now, which is a good price. Because I paid a little bit over $400 because I bought them on release day. I just went ahead and ordered them that day when I missed out on the raffles. You guys check these out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the must cop of the year. Easiest Nike, Jordan, Travis Scott collab to get is this one right now. Usually these go up there. And if you wait, these will eventually go up in price. It's just facts. The data shows it. These come out over time, they just rise in price. I wouldn't see these coming down any lower than they are now. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. I got another pair we're going to be doing a review on. This one actually did cop on sneakers, but it was way easier to get. It's the Jordan 4 Amaneers. So that's the next video. I'll link that one up top somewhere. Thanks for watching. Peace.